Day 4. As you can see, beautiful sky this morning, just awesome. A little bit of drizzle last night, which was quite fun, especially with my moonroof open. At 3:30 in the morning, being rained on is not ideal. So today we're heading to Neil's Junction, and from Neil's Junction we'll have some lunch. So about 150 k's away, which is around 3 hours based on our current speed. X-Trail still going strong. I'll tell you, we've had problems with old mate's truck with the roof rack started to come loose. The trailer does not like to tow over corrugations. Orange has been great, no problems yet, and X-Trail is just going strong. No leaks, no problems. All right, we'll catch you on the road. Day 4 on the track, as I said before, but very important today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to my buddies behind, and it's looking like it's going to be a pretty awesome day again. It's only 21 degrees at 7:30 in the morning. It was a beautiful night. And a really nice breeze all night, apart from that little bit of rain. But off we go. Connie Sue to Neil Junction, and we'll see how long it takes us to get there. So today's been a combination of beautiful, smooth sections, and then peppered with crazy corrugation. So if you don't like to have your lunch regurgitated 4 times in the back of your throat, then maybe don't come out here. Don't. Alrighty, so we've made it to Neil Junction. It's taken about 5.5 hours on the track. Can't really, there we go, maybe you can see some stuff. There we go. We're about to head off now down the track all the way. We're trying to get to, we won't get to Cockabiddy tonight, but we're going to camp on the track somewhere. Can't fault it. X-Trail is just bussing along. We came up here actually last year and we did the Yambadell, and this is El Kirka Roadhouse, which is in the middle of nowhere. This is the track. I don't know if you want to see. This is where we came from. Connie Sue, Yambadell back to Perth. We'll see you down the road. Now we're at this place called the Breakaway, or Neil Junction Breakaway. Anyway, there's like some natural spring action, some proper salt happening. And it's just beautiful. You can imagine a while ago, let's say 6 million years, this was full of something. Water maybe, or dinosaurs. Anyway, this is a spring, and then we've got some legit waterfalls coming from here, then all the way up. Can't tell where it's kind of coming out of, but all the way to the top. Oh, don't know where. And it's actually, the water is pretty fresh. Would you believe? Pretty awesome. Just waiting for Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kids to come out any second. Super cool. So the only problem I've got at the moment with the trail is I've got some saggy bag syndrome. I don't know how to not have my bag sag. If anyone knows how to stop saggy bag, drop a comment down below. Status update of the trip, day 5 now, coming around. This needed some air, only at the bottom, but basically flat when I came up this morning. Old mate there doing something the mobile workshop style on his trailer. The King's tent, this just basically fell off completely. This one had to be tightened up. Other than that, not too bad. Really noisy in the wind, the King's tent. Really noisy. But we had a beautiful campsite last night, and really can't complain about the road conditions today, because we're going to be rolling along essentially mining highway. I've gone around this tyre spray bottle and soap style, but there are no leaks on this tyre, so I'm just hoping it's going to magically disappear and this wheel won't be flat in the morning. But we'll see how we go with that. Otherwise, everything else seems to be holding on. Everything has been going well. This is the only main thing, apart from the tent. Yeah, the tent. Off the Connie Sue to pop in at this old station. Still some cows. Oh, Willy Willy happening down there. This is the old farm homestead. All the cars are still running because it's 6 million degrees, so just want to keep everything cool. There was a dingo I saw right here running off, probably because this might have been lunch. Here's the old homestead. It's about 3 or 4 k's off the main track. Random. Concrete floor and everything. Very cool. So they call this Premier Downs Homestead. I've had a saggy bag issue. The bag went all the way down, touched the ground, and then I just saw bits of bag throw up. I was like, what the f? And I thought it hit a crow, black bit. And then, but that was hanging off the back, and then my tow hitch ding dong.
Yeah.
The actual cable tie was pulled out of it, so I just popped it in the back of the car. I don't know how I don't have a flat tire, because I hit some rocks fucking hard. And when I was coming up, because the thing was too, I got my my heat shield underneath this all falling down.
Right, yeah.
But the thing is too that the rut is so deep, and then the rocks line the top of the rut.
Oh, so you're knocking.
So I'm either hitting the rocks with my fucking sump, or I'm hitting the rocks with my wheels. There's a bit of a choice, you know. Yeah, that's in the door.
Okay.
That's the King's high quality build action right there.
I like my Stony Creek high quality build.
Yeah. Otherwise, I mean,
So
you
the
see,
build quality is good.
see all the times the rocks have hit the sidewall, and how I don't have, and then you see chunks hit out of the sidewall. How I don't have a flat tire. I
Don't get it.
remember when you said like, how did they go on the rocks? Like and on the other side was worse. How I've not got a fucking, you know, like look at just chewed, but there's no, you know what I mean? Gotcha. Coming up to one of the last gates of the drive, which would be very cool. Not that I'm over the drive, but geez, when it's 8,000 degrees, then it's really something. Apparently this gate's a bit special. It's got a different... Yep. I've heard that sound a bit today. Apparently the gate has got a different locking mechanism, so you know, we're looking for highlights of the trip. I mean, we're in a shallow pool, let's be honest. Okie dokie, let's check this out. Done the old seat belt. Looking for something a little bit different to lock your gate up with. Anyway, that's, where is it? Just there. That's the Connie Sue, and that's really it. So we're going into the little town over here. We're at Rollina, and this is like a little ghost town. It's supposed to service the old steam trains and things back in the day. So yeah, pretty cool little tourist attraction here. Let's go over to the main town, have a drive through, see if there's anything interesting. Then we're heading down towards Cocklebeatty. And yeah, that pretty much is all the desert craziness done. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm impressed and surprised that X-Trail did it all. I followed all these big four-wheel drives through. Not even a puncture, a couple of little loose bits and pieces. Obviously the King's tent fell apart, but you know, all to credit to it. And I did have some saggy bag problems, but look. Great trip, great day. See, it's 49 degrees Kelvin, but whatever. You got to be out here to enjoy it. So take your X-Trail outside, get it dirty, don't delay. Get some dust in places that it doesn't need dust. Go and see something you haven't seen before. and record it and put it on YouTube for your 7 friends to see it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you don't record it, just as long as you've done it. Oh boy, she needs a wash. And big time. Don't worry about this. This is previous damage. Yeah, no damage on this trip. I got some saggy bag action. Such a nice bag too, this XTM bag. Really good. But I destroyed it. Essentially, it ran over itself underneath the car. And just dirty. Just needs a good wash. Alrighty. Well, I'm still in the bush. It's been a solid 6 something hours. Sorry. No. The answer is no. We are still driving. We are still 30 minutes away minimum. It's now approaching, I'm not sure what even o'clock it is. Oh, hello kangaroo. It's now approaching 8 something o'clock, and that means we've been driving for 14 hours. Or let's say on the road, because we did have lunch. Anywho, we're going to keep going. We just need to get to Cockabiddy. We just need to feel like we've achieved something, because otherwise we're just broken humans if we don't make it tonight. Alright, we've made it to the end. We're just airing up. Quick fix on my rooftop tent. You can see the difference. Thank you, GoPro. Yep, I lost the saggy bag. That's somewhere. Really, other than super dirty, we are good to go. Air up all these tyres, and then we're going to Cockabiddy for dinner, let's say. So yeah, we made it. It's been a freaking long day, my friends. Long